That's better. That's better. Because as she comes around on a circle, her whole body should be bent evenly from pole to tail, and she gets a little straight. That's better, Lynn. You want to think of a banana. She has to be evenly bent from her tail all the way to her pole.
She's flapping.
Her poor udders. So make her bend her rib cage out away, and then bring her nose in just a hair so that she's bent all the way. Yes, yes. She's a little stiffer this way, actually, which is funny. So push the ribs out, yep. Nice. See how she'll go out for you then? Yes, 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 yes,
Right
yes.
there. I found the spot.
Yes, 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 yes,
I
yes.
found it.
Yep.
I was too far back.
Yes, yes. Don't push her butt over. Push her ribs over. Yeah. Push her ribs, not her butt. Yes, Lynn. There it is. There it is. Yes, now she's bent. Yes, now her body is bent, not just her neck.
She's gonna bark again. I know.
That's super.